Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So for today's look, I'm doing an Indian and Nepali engagement look. I did a very subtle look and very easy also, so that you can also create this look with any occasion. Starting by applying the synaa rose serum onto my face so that the skin looks hydrated all day. And then massaging the face gently to absorb the product into my skin. Then applying my favorite age rewind concealer onto my lid. And then dabbing the product in with the beauty sponge. Then taking the infallible powder, I'm just going to apply it on my lid before putting any eyeshadow. I like doing this method because it doesn't crease up quickly and get sticky. For the eyeshadow, I'm applying this one. This is the light shade, which I am going to be applying as a transition color with the blending brush. I really like this palette. I bought this from the colorbar. Next shade looks like a coral, I guess. So I'm just going to pop this on my crease line and I'm just going to blend it very nicely. So taking the another shade, I'm just going to pop this onto my lid. This is a very pretty shade. Literally, I love this palette so much. Foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris True Matte. I am applying with the beauty blender, beauty blender or beauty sponge. Both are the same thing. And I'm dancing here. I'm taking the Age Rewind concealer underneath my eyes, on my forehead, the corners of my lips, and also on the chin. And yeah, I know I look super scary though. And then I'm gently blending in it. I'm just going to gently blend it in with the beauty sponge. What is wrong with me? I can't speak now. I can't speak today. Oh my gosh. And then taking the infallible powder, the same powder which I've applied for my lid, I'm going to apply this to set my under eye areas and wherever I have applied concealer, just to set them. And yeah, I'm again dancing. And then taking the Wet n Wild Max Fanatic mascara. Ooh, yeah, this is so nice. I really love mascara. Taking the Kingdom of Lashes, and I've applied off camera. Then I'm taking the Chambord concealer to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawlines, and also my temple of my nose. It's temple of my nose. And then I'm taking this highlighting shade from the colorbar palette and apply this underneath my brow bone just to accentuate a little bit. I'm taking the Wet n Wild blush, the coralish kind of blush. Then I'm taking the strobe highlighter. This is from the Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to apply the temple of my nose, the cupid's bow on my forehead, on my chin, and also at the cheekbones. Knocking the doors, I went there to look who is there, and my t-shirt looks creepy here. Blending each and everything in, and then I'm also applying the same Wet n Wild mascara on my lower lashes as well. So here comes the final part. So I'm applying the MAC Cream Sheen amplified lipstick, I guess. Yes, I don't know, but I'll just mention that on the description box below, guys. That's all for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. Get to give it a thumbs up if you like. Bye guys, I love you. I'll see you on my next video.